Question number 1. Beta-lactam ring is present in erythromycin, penicillin, tetracycline, chloramphenicol. Correct answer is option B, penicillin. Question number 2. Antibiotic produced from Streptomyces orientalis is streptomycin, penicillin, vancomycin, both A and B. Correct answer is option C, vancomycin. Question number 3. The drug of choice for dermal, oral and vaginal candidiasis is griseofulvin, amphotericin B, genital violet, nystatin. Correct answer is option D, nystatin. Question number 4. Botulism means food adulteration, food poisoning by streptococcus bacteria, chemical contamination of food, food processing. Correct answer is option C, chemical contamination of food. Question number 5. Chloramphenicol is obtained from. Correct answer is option B, Streptomyces venezuela. Question number 6. Streptomycin is obtained from. Correct answer is option A, Streptococcus species. Question number 7. The treatment required for small bodies of water is disinfectant, filtration, purification, all of this. Correct answer is all of this. Disinfectant, filtration, purification. Question number 8. Surface ropinase is caused by alkyligens, viscolytics, streptococcus, both A and B, none of these. Correct answer is option D, none of these. Question number 9. Septicemia is bacteria in blood, toxin in blood, pus in blood, multiplication of bacteria and toxin in blood. Correct answer is option D, multiplication of bacteria and toxin in blood. Question number 11. In AIDS, Kaposi sarcoma may respond to interleukin-2 infusion, azathioprine, alpha interferon, none of this. Correct answer is option C, alpha interferon. Question number 11. Ciprofloxacin acts by inhibiting cell wall synthesis, RNA synthesis, folate synthesis, DNA synthesis. Correct answer is option A, DNA synthesis. Question number 12. Lyme disease is caused by bacteria, fungi, spirochete, virus. Correct answer is option C, spirochete. Question number 13. Toxic shock syndrome is caused by. Correct answer is option B, Staphylococcus aureus. Question number 14. Black water fever is caused by. Correct answer is option B, Plasmodium falciparum. Question number 50. Mantox test detects. Correct answer is option A, M. tuberculosis. Question number 60. The antibiotic acting on cell wall is bacteriacin, penicillin, cyclosporin, all of these. Correct answer is option D, all of these. Bacteriacin, penicillin, cyclosporin. Question number 70. Aflatoxin is produced by Aspergillus species, Penicillium species, Alternaria species, none of this. Correct answer is option A, Aspergillus species produce aflatoxin. 18. Penicillin is discovered by. Correct answer is option A, Fleming. Question number 90. Antibiotics used in combination may demonstrate synergism, antagonism, both, none of this. Correct answer is option C, both. Synergism and antagonism. 20. The drug of choice of anaphylactic shock is. Correct answer is option C, epinephrine.